Hi guys, welcome to Code Wild, and today in this video we are going to discuss a lead code question called linkless random node. It's basically a medium level question in lead code, so it's not. So let's see how we can solve this. Basically, before we discuss the approach, I want you to read the question once. I hope you have read the question. So basically, they're just asking us to implement the class, which is solution, in which solution itself, in solution, what we have to initialize is the object with the integer array num, and we have to implement the get random function in which each node will have the equal probability of picking it up. And this is the test case, that is if 1 2 3, if this is a node, if you are just giving solution, you have to you have to initialize an object of array which displays this, and we have to implement a get random function. So basically the solution class is a bit simple. We just need to pass on the value of the of the head into linked list. That's it. This isn't a problem. Now the thing is, how will we solve the get random function? So basically, when the random function is seen, you might think of using a rand function. Yeah, it's definitely fine if you can use it, but you can't only use the rand function, because we are just using the rand function. You don't know which value it's going to display, and they have also asked us that it should have an equal probability, right? And see, you can't 100% surely say that this will have the equal probability. I think there's some mistake in the question. I'm not sure, but you can't say, with your 100% that it will have a, equal probability, all that stuff. But we can solve this. The solution will be accepted if you're following this approach. Basically, what you're doing is just let's code on so that you will understand it a bit better when I code it. Just take link list node and just pass this node. Just that's it with the solution part. Now what do we do is, let's take a helper node, helper list. Let's take it as temp and let's pass it r, and we need a size. We need to determine the size of the node. For that, let's use a vector. I will tell you why we are determining the size of it. Let's take and let's name it as v, and let's pass on the value of the node into the vector. For that, v dot push back of temp val and temp equal to temp next. I think this is bit this is bit normal. I think you might understand what is it. You are just passing the value of the temp into the vector. So now we have every single node inside the vector, right? So now we can determine the size. But why do we need the size? See, like for example, if you are just using a rand function as we discussed, you will get a random value. You might get 8, you might get 3, you might get 5. So if you're taking a size, if you're doing it mod, if you're making a mod with the size of the node, it will be pretty much clear that the numbers will be in between these three values itself, right? For example, I'll just show you. If you're just doing like a return v of a rand v dot size if you're doing like this, it will be pretty much clear that, for example, if you get a rand value as 8 mod 3, in this case the size is 3, you'll get everything inside this range itself, right? That's the point. So we are using, if we are doing it with mod of v dot size, though you can't, like, I'm not sure, so you do let me know in the comment section. I mean, we can't predict that everything will be equally likely to be chosen, like everything will have an equal probability. I don't know in what sense they're asking the question as, but yeah, this solution does work. So yeah, we can run this. What, oh, sorry, next. Yeah, it's working and it will run. Yes. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you like the video, you can like the video, and you can subscribe to our channel. Pretty much more contents are coming up in this channel, as I mentioned in the previous videos. Many contents are going to drop from this channel. And yeah, like, yeah, do let me know what you feel about this question. Is the question proper or not? And or like, if you have any other approaches, you can just write down the code in the comment section. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Stay safe and keep coding.